And welcome to the Aaron Katzman Show. I'm your host, Aaron Katzman. We speak to your life, your money, and your investments. And as always, we're coming to you from the spiritual and soon-to-be financial capital of the world, Jerusalem, Israel. If you like this content, please hit the like button below. If you've not yet done so, please subscribe to both the YouTube channel and to the podcast. And if you know anybody who might think this is of any interest, feel free to hit the share button and share it with them as well. So I would like to speak about shopping. Okay, how one should shop. I'm not known amongst my family as someone who enjoys going to the mall or shopping. In fact, I hate it. But I had an experience earlier last week where I think I learned a lot, and I think I can pass on some information to you on how to shop. Lessons learned from IKEA. IKEA is a great store if you're into that kind of thing. We needed a few bookcases for a couple of children. So we decided we delayed it and we went to a couple of furniture stores, and until they can customize and make it, whatever, it was gonna take too long. So we said, okay, let's just do it. We're going to IKEA. So we got in the car and we drove to IKEA. I'd never been to IKEA before, okay? Because I pride myself on not being much of a shopper. I pride myself on that. We got to IKEA, holy cow, okay? I'd never seen anything like it. You just walk this, I felt like I was, I thought that I was like a rat in a maze. It was just a mouse in a maze, probably. You just keep walking, and you're looking for the bookcase central over there, which is like number 21. And you're walking through 1 and 2, and it's like this maze you're going through, and everything's calling out to you. Buy me, buy me, buy me, buy me. And you need tremendous, kudos to IKEA, right? Genius, the way they built that store, because you have to be incredibly disciplined to walk through that store, get what you need, and then leave without picking up anything else as you go through. So in terms of a business, wow, amazing for them. They did a bang-up job, and that's why they're IKEA, right? And that's why I'm who I am. I don't own IKEA. But for shoppers, how don't you get tripped up by going to a store like IKEA or just going to the supermarket? I know people who go to the supermarket and, they wanted to buy 6 things and they come out with like 8 shopping bags full of stuff. Why is that? The answer is because when you should go shopping, this is what I do, right? You make a list, or you have a mental list, and you go in quickly and you buy what you need. And you don't, if you need earplugs, or you just have the discipline, don't listen to the other shelves that are calling out to you, buy me, buy me. You don't have to do that. You buy what you need. Okay, you've done just fine without buying extra yogurts or extra pasta, right? You're living fine without those things in the house, okay? Just because they're on sale doesn't mean you have to buy them. You know what? Secret to everybody, ding, ding, ding. They're going to be on sale again at some time in the not too distant future. They always are. So when you go to IKEA, before you go in, psych yourself out. Okay, make a list. These are the things I need. This is the one thing I need. This is the 3 things I need. Don't come out of there. It was insane what we saw. People with shopping carts piled up. It was to the sky. It was absolutely crazy. And I guarantee you that they didn't need all those things that they bought. Right? So that's how you don't get tripped up when you go to stores like this. Part of budgeting, right? You buy what you need. So when you go shopping for vegetables, or, you go to the supermarket for groceries, or you go to IKEA, make a list, make an inventory. This is what I need. This is what I don't need. This is a luxury. This is something that I can't do without. And just go in, get what's on your list, and then leave the store. You don't need to get sidetracked. Oh, you know what? Wow, how do you like that? The cat food's on sale. We were thinking of buying a cat. You don't even own a cat. You don't have to buy cat food. It's a story that I like to tell because it happened a lot. That we ended up moving once, and we were cleaning up the house for the move. And we found all of these diapers. Must have found another 10 packages of diapers. And at that time, I guess we didn't have any kids in diapers. I would have to do a quick calculation because this story just came to me right now. We didn't have anybody in diapers for those size of diapers. And we had like a bunch of packs that we found. And I just remember, diapers are on sale. You better buy diapers. Well, at the end of the day, who had the last laugh? Us or Pampers? Pampers, because we ended up getting stuck with an extra 10. We bought them on sale, but we have 10 extra bags of diapers, which we had nothing to do with. So if you add the little bit of money we saved on the sales, we ended up losing a lot of money. Okay, so don't get smart. Don't say, well, you know what, we're going to need them in the future. Well, at some time, your children grow up and you don't need the diapers anymore. I hate to break it to you. You don't need those diapers. You don't need to buy dog food if you don't own a dog, because you're thinking about maybe buying one in the future, and the Alpo is now on sale. Okay? Go to IKEA, buy what you need. Don't buy anything else. You go to Albertsons or Safeway or Kroger's or Whole Foods, right? Make a list and buy whatever it is that you need and leave everything else on the shelf. Don't listen to the shelf. Don't get sucked in to whatever it is they're trying to get you to upsell, they're upselling you to buy. Don't do it. Buy what you need. Okay, that's part of budgeting. Okay, thanks for tuning into the shopping channel on the Aaron Katzman Show. We're happy, always happy to give you shopping advice. My advice usually is just to stay home and not bother shopping. Okay, you've been tuning into the Aaron Katzman Show. We speak about your life, your money, and your investments. If you like this, please hit the like button below. If you've not yet done so, please subscribe to both the YouTube channel and to the podcast. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll speak to you soon.